Hi, we're GeneOnline, your premier biotech reporting agency coming to you from Boston Bio 2025. Today, I'm joined by Dr. Chuang of ITRI. So, Dr. Chuang, could you please introduce yourself and what it is you're doing?
Sure. Hello, everyone. This is Professor Chuang from Taiwan. I am a university professor. However, 2 years ago, I took a leave from my professorship to serve as a VP and General Director at ITRI. ITRI is the largest research organization in Taiwan, and basically I'm the head of the biomedical research within ITRI. What ITRI does is we don't do basic research like university or academia, so basically professor published papers. What we do at ITRI is we try to translate basic research into a new products or services. So we do translational research. That's what we do. Most of you probably never heard of the ITRI, but however, you must heard of the TSMC. So TSMC was a spun-off company from ITRI more than 30 years ago. And the founder of TSMC, Morris Chen, he was our former president and then chairman of the board.
Well, I think, understanding some of those roots, especially tying back to TSMC, really helps highlight how important ITRI is. ITRI is in Taiwan as the #1 research organization. Yes. So having said that, coming to Boston, coming to Bio 2025, what are some of the highlights of the developments of translational research that you have focused on and are showcasing here this year?
I have almost 500 people within my biomedical research team. So we ranging from small molecule drug, large molecule drug, cell therapy, and medtech, and then AI and big data. So it's quite a big spectrum in terms of our R&D areas. In terms of this year, 2025 bio, I will showcase two specific development that we've been doing over the past several years. One is for a new drugs for wet AMD or glaucoma in the ophthalmology related field. So we developed drugs to treat eye-related diseases. And currently, these two drugs are in the clinical trial phase 2. So we are hoping in the next couple years, we might be able to get FDA IND down the road. So these two new technology has been tech transferred to a local biotech company in Taiwan. Okay. So they are carrying all the clinical trial since a couple years ago. So this is one highlight. It's the ophthalmology related drug discovery. The second one is everybody know now cell therapy is a very important hot area. So over the past several years, ITRI also developing we call bumpy magnetic beads that can be used to amplify immune cell. We all know you need to have enough cell numbers to treat patient. So this is a new technology we're developing over the past several years. Now we are actually in the final phase to have a new startup company based on this specific technology. So these are two highlights. So we are hoping, of course, we have more to be showcased at 2025 bio, but due to the time limits, I can only demonstrate two major finding we have done.
It sounds like there's a lot of approval that's needed to come up, also clinical trial expansion, and then also looking at the new research and development of the new products, that innovation. So, that would really bring me to a question of just asking what it is you're looking for at BioUS 2025, in terms of the clinical trial arena, in terms of approval, FDA approval, IND, those kinds of things, as well as in the innovation sector from the startups, how to bring that to market. What is it that ITRI is looking for?
Well, I think Taiwan, it's a good place to have collaborations. We have very good healthcare system. I mean, some of the ranking, actually, we are #1 in the world.
Yes.
We also have a very good, we call ICT technology as well. So, and then high talents. So the reason we are being here, actually, over the past several years, we've been attended US Bio. The reason is we want to showcase all biomedical related technology developed in Taiwan and to establish maybe some international collaboration, or maybe some of the big pharma will be looking into potential collaboration with Taiwan. And so that's, I think the main purpose of why we are here today.
Absolutely. Well, it sounds like there's some exciting stuff coming out of ITRI, and we look forward to staying in touch and learning of all the new developments. So hopefully we've been able to share with you just a few things, and thank you so much for your time.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me to share some of, the innovation we have here at ITRI. Thank you.